This is Onkon. I'm an ex-EduSure student. Today I'm going to share my small experience that I had with EduSure while preparing for the masters. I actually never considered masters in economics as a potential future aspect that I was looking into. So I was looking into different aspects like MBA and all. But one of my professor in my college actually enlightened me about the opportunity masters in economics has in itself, and I came to know about EduSure then from one of my seniors and also one of my friends. And that's how my journey in EduSure began. And actually, EduSure was one of the most instrumental part of me getting into a lot of prestigious economic colleges. To name few, I got calls from JIPE, I got calls from Madras School of Economics, Christ University, Symbiosis School of Economics, University of Hyderabad, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, and there was a lot of colleges from where I got calls from. The one thing that I'm really going to praise about EduSure is its systematic framework that it follows in order to provide good quality of education for aspirants who are aspiring to get into a really good MA program. The thing that most really helped me for the preparation for my masters, it is the EduSure's really great resource pool, the portal was insane. It had filled with infinite amount of videos about all the question papers. It had solved question papers, it had answer keys, it had doubt clearing videos, and it was really really good. And the other thing was the EduShow Telegram group. It was filled with hardworking individuals, a lot of students who were really better than me and educationally, academically, which helped me to work harder, uh, which motivated me to work harder. So yeah, I would really suggest EduSure for someone who is actually seriously looking or seriously preparing for masters in program and really want to get a really good college for masters in economics program. Thank you.